Okay, so one question I received like this. Oh, question is saying, take an integer n as an input from the user. Your task is to write a function that returns at the decimal value obtained when n is divided by the smallest number p that has the same number of digits as n. The result should be formatted to two decimal places. Suppose if you are having 5432, here it is giving the explanation. The given number is 5432, which is four-digit number. The smallest four-digit number is 1000. Okay. When 5432 is divided by 1000, the result is 5.432. Means we have to go up to two decimal places. Okay. Now see here. Suppose if I'm saying, I will give the comment one here. If I am having 5432, so if the question is saying, what you have to do is you have to divide this 5432 divide by the smallest four-digit number, that's 1000. Okay. The output is coming something like this. Output will come 5.432, but the result that you should give me is something like this, 5.43. Okay, up to two decimal places. So how we will approach to this problem? Let's solve this problem using the functions. I will say def, and let's say I will say fun here, and I'm taking the num as the num, and let me do something like this. Okay, what I will do before that, let me call the function here. I will say, let's take the input from the user. I will say num equal to int input, and I will say enter num. Okay. After that, what I will do, and I will call this function fun, and this fun. Okay. Mm, okay. Let's wait as of now. Okay. So understand here the number is being received when we call this function from here. Okay. Because if you will see here, the question is saying you have to return from here. Okay. So let me do something like this. So what I will do here, let me calculate. As of now, understand here. Here is 5432. So we are calling a function, and that function in that side that we are passing here now. That number is 5432. Okay. So what we will do here, we will obtain the number of digits. Number of digits, I will say ND, number of digits that are present in this 5432. So I will say length of, and I will convert into the string, and I will say 5432. Okay, that means in this ND you will get how many? 4, because length of string of this 5432 is 4. Okay, 4 will be stored in this ND. Getting this point? Okay. So after that, what I will do is I will say something like this: return. Okay, we have to return from here. I will say return num divided by mhm, num divided by, I will say 5432. Oh, okay, sorry. I have to do num divided by, and here I will do 10 raised power. Okay, so 0 1 0 I have taken here, and since ND is 4, so I will do 10 raised power 3 only. Okay, so ND will receive here 3, and here I will do ND raised power ND. So we will get here for three zeros. One is this, and three zeros. Total we will get here three zeros. Okay. So I am returning from here, and here we can do something like this. I will say print, and here we need it up to two decimal places, right? So if I will try to divide it, okay. Now I will say something like this: fun, and here I will pass the number. Okay, now let me run it and I will show you the output, what output we are receiving here. So I will say enter the number it is saying. I will say 5432. When I hit the enter, okay, now you are getting the 5432, right? If you want to see this, the ND value as well, I will say print ND, and if I will run it again, I will say 5432, and here you are getting the 3. Okay, so 10 raised power 3 is equal to 1000. Okay. Okay, now we need this only up to two decimal places. So what I will do is I will use here formatting. I will use 2f, and I will say here dot 2f, and here I will say dot format, and inside that format, let me keep this one. Okay, and let me run it again. I will say 5432. It is giving me error. Why? Okay, colon dot 2f, colon dot 2f. Let me run this now again. Again, I will say 5432. Okay, now you are getting the result as 5443. Now, if I will give some other number, if I will give some other number here, let me run it again. Let's say I'm saying 742. Okay, now it's giving me the 0.74. Is this correct? Yes. Okay. Now, if I give some other number now, let's say I'm saying 9825. Now it is giving me 9.82. Okay, fine. This is how we approach to this problem. Okay, then we are having one more question here. Mhm.